We're Justin and Britt, and we're thrilled to show you our custom-built Overlanding rig that's ready for its next owner. After living and traveling full-time in a self-built van for 2 years, we poured all our knowledge, passion, and expertise into creating the ultimate off-road home on wheels. Whether you're looking to explore a remote wilderness or embark on a cross-country journey, this rig has you covered.
So the base is a 2021 Chevy Silverado 2500 Z71 with just 30,000 miles on it and in excellent condition. It's a double cab with seating for 6 people, 4x4 drivetrain, and an off-road package so it can handle pretty much anything you throw at it.
It includes a factory upgraded suspension, auxiliary controls for any future modifications, and we've prepped the back window for a future pass-through to the camper. With Apple CarPlay, a backup camera, and a super roomy cab, it's great for long road trips.
We had an 8-foot steel CM flatbed installed that includes a concealed gooseneck hitch and all of the heavy-duty attachment points needed for the camper, but the real star is the camper we built on top of it.
Justin used his 10+ years of experience as an architect to design this custom camper shell from the ground up. The extended rear departure angle allows for greatly increased storage and living space, while still being able to park in regular parking spots. We've both worked on various construction projects, including home renovations and van conversions. So we used our skills and knowledge to put this thing together screw by screw.
The camper is constructed from a steel stud frame with reinforced framing at the overcab bed. It's insulated on all of the walls, ceiling, and floor, and skinned with aluminum composite exterior that's weather sealed from the elements. Some of the exterior features of the camper include this lockable water fill port and the fiberglass insulated RV door with 2 keyed locks and an integrated screen door. There's headroom here so anyone up to 6'3" can comfortably stand inside. We've also designed this camper to be removable with 4 camper jacks. This makes trips to the store or trailhead a breeze while the camper stays in your ideal camp spot.
Since Justin and I are both designers, it was important for us to create a cozy and inviting vibe for the interior of the camper. As you walk through the door, you'll notice the cedar wood panel ceiling and warm LED lighting with 3 different lighting zones. The main lighting zone switch is accessible from the doorway. The interior color palette was inspired by the wild western spaces we love to explore.
Immediately, you'll notice something super unique to this build, the gear storage area. We designed the interior layout of the camper around this because we love bikes. It has wall hooks to safely store 2 large bikes inside, with an upper shelf for helmets. The lower storage area is perfect for snowboards, skis, and hiking poles. Across from that is a huge upper cabinet with 4 tiers of shelving for clothing storage, and a lower cabinet which houses the electrical system.
The bedroom area has a full-size mattress with a foam topper atop a natural cocoa core ventilation mat to promote airflow. The bedroom lighting zone features 2 reading lights and dual charging ports. There are 2 screen windows with custom sewn curtains in the front and the side of the bed area that create a great cross breeze. Plus, my favorite part of the camper, a skylight that floods the space with natural light and provides access to the roof, so you can stargaze from bed or hop on the roof to watch the sunrise with your morning coffee.
Moving into the kitchen, we custom shaped this beautiful butcher block countertop and installed a deep undermount sink with a pull-out faucet. This connects to an electric water pump fed by a 25-gallon freshwater tank. The sink empties into a portable 3-gallon gray water tank. Above the sink is another screened window so you can look out on the landscape while you wash your dishes.
The 65-liter fridge freezer, 3 soft close drawers, large understove drawer, and spacious dry food storage area means there's tons of space for kitchen and food storage for long periods in the wilderness. We love this Camp Chef 2-burner stove with an oven for cooking up any meal. Above the stove is a dual-direction max air fan for ventilation and temperature control.
The living area is super comfy. It's got 2 big bench seats that can fit 4 people with custom cushions and removable covers made with outdoor fabric. The dining table folds away when you need more space and easily converts into an additional bed. This huge insulated window with integrated screen, reflector shade, and 4-position awning opening makes eating meals here a dream.
This area has dimmable lighting for different moods and a corkboard wall for all your travel memories. There's also tons of storage space back here. We raised the floor to include this underfoot storage, and both benches also have huge storage spaces underneath, as well as an electric Ogo composting toilet with a vent system that vents any smells out of the camper.
Powering all this is 300 watts of roof-mounted solar panels connected to 2 100 amp-hour lithium iron phosphate batteries. And the power is distributed via a 12-terminal fuse panel for 12-volt power and a 2,000-watt Renogy inverter, powering a 120-volt surge protector in the living area.
We've toured this rig on a few trips to test its comfort and ability, taking it through western Colorado to Moab, Utah, into the Wyoming wilderness, and on overnighters in the Front Range. It's proven to handle rocky terrain like a champ, and it's just as comfortable on long road trips.
We built this as our dream home on wheels, but life's taking us in a new direction, so we'd love to see it go to someone who will give it a life of adventure.
If you're looking for a rig that's ready to hit the road, fully equipped and built with love, this might be the one. Feel free to shoot us a message or give us a call. We'd love to chat.